Today, I'm joined by Tram Nguyen from Data School Germany. Thanks for joining me, Tram.
Thanks for having me, Andy.
Why don't you tell everybody a bit about yourself?
Oh, well, yes. My name is Trâm. I'm from Vietnam, and 4 years ago, a bit more than 4 years ago, I went to Germany to do my degree in international business management in Osnabrück, a small city in the Lower Saxony, Germany. And before I study economics and finance, and I worked briefly in a financial sector industry. Yes, and now I'm joining the data school in Germany, and I'm very excited.
So how did you end up going from a job in economics to deciding to apply for the data school?
As you can see, the data and finance and economic come along. I have to say that data analysis is a very important tool or I would say skill that every finance people should have. And I started by learning some of the programming languages at a very basic level, for example, SQL and Python. And my aim in the past was just to do the data cleansing and do some analysis regarding the economic indicators and regarding the corporate indicators in organization and building maybe financial model. And the more I got into data analysis, the more I love it. I mean, I just love those visualization.
And so far, you've been kind of learning the basics of Alteryx and Tableau in your first, I guess, month now. What do you prefer, Alteryx or Tableau?
Before, I prefer using Tableau because I see this great visualization, and it's very easy and intuitive, very user friendly. And now, as I started learning to use Alteryx, I can see that this is a powerful tool, and you can do multiple things with the Alteryx, ranging from data cleansing, visualization, and up until predictive analysis or machine learning model.
What do you think has made you successful so far in the data school?
Since I joined data school from the first day, I was encouraged to ask a lot of questions. And I think that this really helps me to form a a curious and analytic mindset. And otherwise, doing the certification and a lot of weekly challenges, particular Alteryx weekly challenges, helps me a lot into getting acquainted with all the process and terms and concepts of data modeling. And I think that is really good.
And what's been most challenging for you so far?
Well, we get to learn a lot. I mean, sometimes I find it a little bit challenging to get a balance between different tasks and to allocate my time to doing the task.
Okay, one more question for you. If you could do anything for one day, what would you do?
I would spend one day to go and support my favorite team, my favorite football team, Manchester United, at
terrible.
Old Trafford Stadium.
Okay. Okay, that's great. Well, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate you taking some time out of your lunch to speak to me, and I'm sure I will see you soon.